Bad, man. Well, how you doing?
I'm tired.
I know.
I'm tired. But we getting some stuff knocked out.
I see that engine.
Yeah. Hey, you see it past the cab,
bro.
So, all right.
How you gonna see when you drive? That's the question.
Hey, everybody else better watch out. But
sound about right.
We got the cab on the frames.
Looking good.
I just got to tighten the motor mounts where the cab mounts up. I got the cab mounts under the body. Run the bolts down, tighten them up. Okay. But yeah, this pearl going crazy.
That pearl, I was just saying that, like, man, on the camera, you could tell this popping. That pearl popping.
That pearl crazy. Then all the colors going in together. The gold pearl in the white, the gold in the wheels, the red frame with the red interior, the red motor. Man. Little small red accessories, but oh yeah. First ever Gen 5 motor, Magnuson MOAB blower, Wagner front accessories. I had to come up with all this stuff because I don't know nobody make a kit or no blueprint on how to do this. I came up with all of this stuff on how to do it.
I love it.
Yeah, so real mad scientist project right here. But yes, hey, it worked, everything lined up.
It look crazy, bro.
Yes, sir. We're gonna make some good power with this joker, huh?
1200?
Hopefully about 12 or 13. We're gonna see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Crazy, ain't no fun.
But all right, so we ain't gonna make this video too long.
Yo,
so
yeah.
We got top head, Magnuson, tick performance, BTR, internals, everything right there. Speed engineering headers. 52 3100 cab.
If they've been following along, I'm quite sure they
everybody know. S10 chassis. Candy paint on that joker, Brits tank, quick performance range, all of that right there, all that goodies.
sheet metal.
Oh yeah.
You got to show.
Yeah, we got to show on the wheels.
Man,
that's a front.
KNRC, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That boy went stupid with them. I ain't no front.
That gold in the paint, matching the gold on the lips.
And you picked them wheels, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
I'm thinking crazy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This concave.
Then over here on the Blazer.
See what that got going over here.
ProCharger intake. D1X ProCharger. Roaster shop chassis. We got intercooler pipe getting made right now. Well, not the intercooler pipe, but the pipe coming from the ProCharger to the throttle body. Getting that made. Running airlines. We decided to move the ECU and stuff like that from the center console to up behind the dash.
Just make it a little bit more clean.
Yeah, and the actual center console isn't gonna have to be as detailed right now because we are definitely pushed for time. The wiring coming off of the batteries is gonna loop around, go to that center connect. All right, coming on back. We got the AccuAir setup going in. Of course, all this stuff gonna get cleaned up. Then we got coolant tank going over here in this corner. So all of this is kind of lightly marked up because we still got to put carpet on it. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on right now. A lot of work. We literally got 12 days right now to SEMA, and Forgiato kind of messed us up, right? So they sent the wrong faces on those wheels. So those are the true SEMA wheels right there, right? Y'all see the rest of my body panels over there in the cut. They going on Monday.
Yes, sir.
But for right here, right? So this is the wrong bolt pattern. So what I'm thinking is either running those like those forged the ways that's on there now, right? That's option number one. Option number two is take that face out of that rim and put in this rim, right? That's option number two. Option number three is we got another set of wade forges with the brush face that face can go in these rims too. So the main thing is we trying to get this lip going. So y'all come in the comments and see, well, let us know what y'all think we should do.
Yeah, man.
So me personally, I like this whole.
Melvin always in the comments.
Man.
And Jay Will.
And Reggie Pooh, yup. I like this whole rim setup.
Okay, hold on, let me show them the wheel.
The gray face.
What y'all think, bro?
With the brush lip, that's a real brush lip. This just an 8-inch lip. The other one is a 9-inch lip. Like we put a thicker tie on this joke and ride. Me personally, I like this whole setup. Like that color combination with the orange go crazy. And it's a big cap. It's a big floating cap.
And they ways way down.
Yeah, and they ways.
It is.
Shout out to boy Wade. Yeah, you know, that's the homie.
That is bro, yo.
So, I don't know. Me personally, I say we throw some bigger tires on these rims right here, call it a day. But we might end up just changing that face into that rim. Or we got another set of Wades with the brushed face. That
it's the same. It's the same one though.
Nah, they got a chrome lip, but it's this exact rim just with a brushed face.
That's what I mean. Yeah. Okay.
Instead of the painted gray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cause you know.
Well, that's powder coat, but
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's powder coat. But we'll just swap the faces into those. Forge is supposed to be sending us the correct face, but that's been 3 weeks ago.
Man, I hope they send.
Yeah. So hey, we ticking down. We ticking down.
We definitely do.
So, and we still got a lot to do. But hey.
Oh, and anybody worry about like us cleaning up, bro? Don't worry about that. We'll clean up.
Yeah, nah, that's definitely like, after seeing the type of situation.
Super clean.
Yeah. So the shop definitely gonna get a deep cleaning after we get done, because we got body dust, welding dust, grinding dust.
We just ain't had time to clean, bro. I ain't got time for that. I've been trying to clean as much as we can, but we gotta work.
But you know, y'all hit them comments up. Let us know what y'all think, what we should do as far as the wheel situation.
12 days. Well, for us.